So remember yung Tamaraw build natin guys, meron na tayong stage 2 nung build. So we're proudly presenting right now the stage 2 of our Tamaraw multipurpose overlander delivery guy slash elf build. Okay. So, hindi pa maganda yung lalamunan ko, umaga pinagbablog ako dito. So okay, this is our stage 2 of our Tamaraw build. Ano mga dinagdag natin guys? Siyempre, we will never forget that we are purebred overlanders and campers. Joke lang. Ano lang tayo? Pakit camper. Hindi, joke lang. This is the 180 degree Ava awning. Okay? Nakita mo yung span niya. Sobrang lapad. Okay? 180 degrees yan. Freestanding siya. But, we can also have the option of putting down the legs. Dito yung legs niya, nakatago yan seamlessly dito sa mga trusses natin. Okay, that itself, this Ava 180 degree awning is a very much quality product from Japan. Okay, Ava Gears Japan yan. Okay, so other than that, ano pa dinagdag natin with this build? The nudge bar. This is a TJM nudge bar. This is a TJM clamp. Para sa TJM na light. Ay, grabe, lahat TJM. Okay, what else? Ito pa. For the by the way, this is a Tamaraw specific nudge bar. Wala tayong edit, wala tayong custom bracket. Everything is Tamaraw specific. Okay, also this one. This is a TJM, paki-focus par, naka-laser cut, TJM. Cowl light bracket. Tapos TJM side shooter. Tapos, ano to? Hoy, TJM roof rack. This is full aluminum. Okay, medyo pricey to, pero tinan mo naman. Tinan mo naman, kumpleto yan. Mounted yan dun sa OEM parts niya. Okay? Meron pa. Come on. Boom! Specific DJM rock slider. Ang ingay ng mga motor. Okay. Yung cowl light natin, meron tayong special wiring na kinulit lang natin dyan, okay? So, just in case, diba, gusto natin mangulit, ayan. Umilaw. Paano umilaw yan? Diba? Yan, may blinking pa. Uy, may tao ba sa loob? Guys, walang tao sa loob. This is the one that's connected to the harness of the TJM side shooter. So, pwede natin siya off, on, blink. Di ba? Remote blinking. Okay. So, that's one of the things na in-add natin. Dito tayo sa likod. We also added this TJM specific bed utility rack. But we also have to drill into the bed of the Tamaraw. Okay, nakadrill yan dito. So, fixed yan dyan. Okay. Ayan guys. Ready na for camping ang ating TJM Part 2 setup, Overlander. Dito tayo sa likod. Pakita natin yung detalye. Look, it's TJM. Diba? Okay? So, we featured our Ava 180 degree. Kasi siya yung bagay dito eh. Kung nakaganon lang, okay, pwede na rin. Pero medyo bitin. But this one is spanning left to right. So, yung buong bed natin covered. So, if you wanna do camping, drop natin dyan. Makakapag-gawa na tayo ng lutuan dito sa ilalim, diba? Also, syempre, we have a new water system from Ava. This is the Ava, how many liters? 25? 28 liter Ava full aluminum na water tank. Okay. Anong kinabahan na to sa water port? The water port, yes, it's pressurized. It's also the same, but this one is a slightly lesser capacity, but the features of this is different. Look. Meron tayong bracket slots here. Tapos, ganun pa rin, pressurized tayo. We put the panghangin dito para magkaroon siya ng pressure. Or, otherwise, kung kunyari, ayaw natin naglalagay ng mga ganyan ng pahangin, we can actually attach a Lazada water pump here. Yung mga Lazada water pump, you can buy it for 900 pesos. I-attach lang natin siya dito. Kasi lagayan to ng bracket eh. So, mababracket natin yung Lazada water pump dito. Connect it here. Tapos sa outlet dito. Tapos na, may water pump ka na dito. The beauty of this is naka-attach na sa kanya yung water pump. You don't need to inflate it. But if you have an air compressor like this, you have an air compressor like the TJM compressor, syempre, double purpose yan. Panggulong, panghangin ito. It's always nice to bring one in camp. Okay? So, yun. Let's see. Naka-tuck in properly ang hose ni Ava. Diba? And we've seen customers na tatlong Ava binibili, tatlong Ava nakatang, nakaganon, nakalatag, naka-interconnected sila with some bracket like this. Pakita mo yung bracket. Ayan, no? Custom bracket yan. Ginawa natin yan para naka-hold siya dito sa utility rack natin. Okay, so here, our valve, we open our valve. Yun, no? Nagka-pressure na siya. So, I can spray that good. Ay, buksan natin to. Uy! Uy! That's a lot of water. Okay, so this one itself, as usual, water on the go. Okay, so, ligpit. Tuck-in mo lang dito yan. Tuck-in mo lang dito yan. Very easy. Oh, atak. 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 O, kunyari, ayaw mo i-tuck-in, gagamitin pa natin later. Diyan muna yan. Tama ba to? Dito ba to? O, diyan muna yan. Diyan muna yan. Tambay muna natin dyan yan. Okay? So, tuck-in na tayo. Tuck-in na tayo. Bilis niya iligpit. Tapos ito. O. Release mo lang. O. Diba? And then, you can keep the compressor back in your car. Okay? So, this is our Overlander Tamaraw. Quick video lang siya kasi na-feature natin yung stage 1 that we put the suspension, the tires, the big tires. Okay? So ngayon, recreational na tayo. We wanna put our Tamaraw into better use, not just hauling, but magdadala din natin siya sa mga weekend trips natin. And these are the things that we can feature, we can actually install in your Tamaraw to make it a little bit comfortable, or actually medyo comfortable because siyempre lahat to is very very well matched dun sa Tamaraw natin for our camping setup. Okay, so with this, take a good look at our Tamaraw. May LED bar sa harap, nudge bar, sobrang complete looking na siya. Okay, we might take this out on some of the easy overlanding trips, yung mga pwede mga 4x2, syempre. Our Tamaraw is not 4x4. And watch out, we might make another vlog for it. Ginagamit natin siya para hindi naman sayang ang setup natin. Diba? Alright? Hope you like our video. Hope you like our Tamaraw. And sana ma-inspire tayo magpagawa ng ganyan Tamaraw. Bye-bye.